In this video, we will be assembling the Pure Fun mini trampoline with handrails. In the box, you will find the pre-assembled trampoline with the frame pad, jump mat, and 36 springs installed. The left handrail and right handrail will also be attached. Also included is 4 legs, hardware, and the T-sections. In the female handrail, there will be an opening. To identify the male handrail, there is a snap button. The lower male handrail will be labeled with a sticker with the letter A, and the female handrail will be labeled with a sticker with the letter B. Remove all caps installed to the frame. Install 4 legs and leave 2 open to install the T-section legs. Secure both T-sections with the correct hardware provided. If the leg cap is still attached to the T-section leg, remove it and slide the handrail. Install with the appropriate hardware. Repeat these steps on the second handrail. Make sure the openings of each lower handrail are facing each other. This is also a good indicator to know which handrail belongs to each side. The upper handrails will be attached using the snap button. Decide how tall you would like your handrail to be and select 2 openings that are facing parallel to one another in the lower handrails. Once installed, use the same steps to attach both upper handrails. Thank you for watching this how-to video. For more information and help on this product, click on the link below.